You showed me love when you don't know me. You followed me even though you don't know me. You know they use me play. You come true for me. You showed me love. I will always love you all. You know they use me play. You come true for me. Yes, sir. Happy Valentine. This is the month of love. You know how we roll it. Yes. Let love lead. Ka ịhụnanya jupụta n'obi unu. Onye ọbụla gị na-emega ihe. Ka ọ wụrụ ịhụnanya ịhụnanya. Ịhụnanya ịhụnanya. No confusion. No quarrel. No misunderstanding. Ihe niile wụrụ ịhụnanya ịhụnanya. You say amen. I say happy Valentine to all of you. Ono niile, ono buzojime ịhụnanya. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And I say once again, happy Valentine. Yes, sir. Thank you. And God bless you.